Hi, everyone. I'm Avery Marquez, Director of Investment Strategies at Renaissance Capital. Welcome to our May 2025 market recap. May was a dynamic month for markets, shaped by a mix of optimism and uncertainty. Cooling inflation and trade deals with the UK, EU, and China lifted market confidence during the month. Volatility eased, with the VIX Volatility Index retreating from its April high, and benchmarks started to recover from their recent lows. The IPO market gained some momentum, with several high-profile names taking advantage of the calmer conditions. However, caution around potential policy shifts, coupled with lingering fears about a recession, continued to temper investor sentiment. The Renaissance IPO index jumped 11.3% in May, strongly outpacing the S&P 500, which posted a 6.2% gain. Trading was mostly positive in the IPO index as well as other benchmarks, as the recent string of good news reignited investor interest in equities. The IPO index has delivered a strong recovery since plummeting in April, ending the month up 31.1% from its post-Liberation Day low, compared to 18.6% for the S&P 500. Top contributors in the Renaissance IPO index included AI-focused chipmaker Astera Labs, which jumped after an analyst upgrade driven by increased demand for AI infrastructure, and solar tracking equipment maker Nextracker, which traded up on strong earnings. The biggest detractors included restaurant chain Cava Group, which stumbled on broader sector headwinds despite posting strong earnings, and niche airplane parts maker Loar, which also delivered strong financial results but traded off after announcing a secondary. Looking ahead to June, we're optimistic that we'll see a pickup in new issuance. The IPO market is poised for more activity, supported by favorable conditions like declining volatility and solid returns from recent listings. It's important to note that changing tariff policies and the related market effects still pose risks, but the pipeline continues to grow, with several notable names submitting initial filings in May, like Chime, Omada Health, Slide Insurance, and Caris Life Sciences. This uptick in new filings should translate to more deals on the calendar through the end of Q2, as long as conditions hold up. That wraps up our May 2025 market recap. Thanks for watching.